Hey there, tech newbies! Welcome to the Basics Hub, where we're about to embark on an exciting journey through the vast and ever-evolving digital landscape. Today, we are diving into 4 essential tech tips that will not only make your life easier, but also help your devices become smarter and more efficient. So, without further ado, let's get started on this tech adventure. Imagine walking into a home that knows you better than you know yourself. That's the magic of a smart home. A smart home can enhance your daily life by providing convenience, security, and energy efficiency. Here's how to get started. Start small. Begin with a smart speaker like Amazon Echo or Google Home. These devices can play music, answer questions, and control other smart devices in your home with just your voice. They serve as the central hub for your smart home setup. Connect your lights. Install smart bulbs for easy control and energy savings. Smart bulbs can be controlled remotely through your smartphone or voice commands. You can set schedules, dim the lights, or change colors to match your mood or the time of day. Secure your home. Add a smart doorbell or camera for peace of mind. Smart doorbells allow you to see who is at your door from anywhere, while security cameras can help you monitor your home when you're away. This added layer of security can help you feel safer in your own space. Pro tip: always check device compatibility before purchasing to ensure a smooth setup. Not all devices work seamlessly together, so it's important to do a little research beforehand. Now, we've all been there, staring at a frozen screen or a printer that won't print. These frustrating moments can happen to anyone, but don't worry. Let's tackle some common problems and how to solve them. The classic turn it off and on again. It works more often than you'd think. This simple action can reset many devices and clear temporary glitches. It's a quick fix that can save you a lot of time and stress. Check your connections. Loose cables are often the culprit. Make sure all your devices are properly connected. Sometimes a simple adjustment can resolve the issue. If you're using a wired connection, ensure that the cables are securely plugged in. Update, update, update. Keep your software current to avoid glitches. Software updates often include important fixes and improvements that can enhance performance. Set your devices to update automatically, or check for updates regularly to keep everything running smoothly. Remember, Google is your friend. Search for your specific issue for tailored solutions. There are countless forums and resources available online where you can find answers to your tech questions. In our connected world, privacy is gold. With so much of our lives online, it's crucial to keep your digital life secure. Here are some effective strategies to protect your online privacy. Strong passwords. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Instead, create unique passwords for each account. Two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your accounts. This feature requires not only your password but also a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone. It significantly reduces the risk of someone accessing your account without permission. Be wary of public Wi-Fi. Avoid accessing sensitive information on open networks. Public Wi-Fi can be convenient, but it's also a hotspot for hackers. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network (VPN) to encrypt your connection and protect your data. Quick tip: consider using a password manager to keep track of your secure passwords. These tools can generate strong passwords and store them securely so you don't have to remember each one. Let's demystify some essential software skills that will help you navigate the digital world with confidence. Word processing. Learn to format documents in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Familiarize yourself with basic functions like bolding text, creating bullet points, and inserting images. These skills will help you create professional-looking documents for school or work. Spreadsheets. Master basic formulas in Excel or Google Sheets. Understanding how to use spreadsheets can help you organize data, create budgets, and analyze information. Start with simple formulas like addition and averages, and gradually explore more complex functions. File management. Organize your digital life with folders and cloud storage. Keeping your files organized will save you time and frustration. Use descriptive names for your files and create folders for different projects or categories. Cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox allow you to access your files from anywhere and share them easily. Bonus: many online courses offer free basic software tutorials. Check out platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy. These resources can help you learn at your own pace and build your skills. And there you have it, folks. These 4 essential tech tips are your first steps towards becoming a digital wizard. Remember, technology is here to make your life easier, not more complicated. Embrace these tools and skills, and you'll find that navigating the digital world becomes second nature. Did you find this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Have a specific tech question? Drop it in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are here to help. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech. The digital landscape is vast and full of opportunities, so don't hesitate to dive in and discover all that it has to offer.